Good evening, everyone. So, in this video, in this case study, we are going to discuss about general water conservation in our day-to-day life. Okay. So, water conservation, you know very well. It is very important to preserve water for our daily usage. And also, we are going to discuss about how what are all the points regarding conservation of water in our day-to-day life, rainwater harvesting, or regular water saving of water later, and what are all the issues we are facing in the public domain when we are using more amount of water due to that issues present in the environment. Okay, so water conservation. Water conservation is nothing but a practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. So whenever water is using unnecessarily, apart from our regular usage, we have to be careful on saving the water in order to avoid the lossage of water. So water loss is very important to know about in our day-to-day life. So waste, water waste. If the water is getting wasted, very well we cannot use it again, right? So that's why everywhere save water, save water. The words they will denote everywhere in all areas. So that is very important. That's the thing about water conservation. So need of water conservation. So water resources in India are limited and population is increasing day by day. So the water requirement is also increasing day by day. Due to the overpopulation, all peoples are required water. Even animals also requiring water. So it is very important to conserve water, to save water, to preserve water. That's why it is need for water conservation. Very first point itself it says population increase. So availability of water in our country is uneven, so it is necessary to make available water. It means uneven, very well. It is not stable. It is not equal to everyone. So it is necessary to ensure that we need everyone water like that. Okay. So we can also discuss some of the points. We can also discuss some of the points about need of water conservation regarding the importance of water conservation.
Water conservation is protecting the ecosystems and ensure the food security, so saving the money and reducing the energy consumption.
For it means these some of the important points to conserve water to ensure the need of water to avail everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are some of the 4 points you say, and also so what are all the issues here? You see these 2 points. So, and also deforestation also will reduce the amount of water for the regular usage. So it is necessary to conserve water to make available to all continuation of our livelihood and to save ecosystem as well as human beings. Livelihood means plants, animals, and the human beings. Okay. So about rainwater harvesting, very well from the childhood itself. You will learn about government giving more importance to this. You can discuss about some rainwater harvesting. What are the points? It is a picture of rainwater harvesting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In ancient Tamil Nadu, railway harvesting was done in
Rainwater harvesting. Yeah.
rainwater
From Chola time, Chola king itself.
Rainwater from the
Bragdishwara
temple was collected in
Sivaganga Tanna, located in the Tanjavur temple.
Okay.
That's very
eco-friendly and sustainable method for collecting and storing rainwater for future use.
Okay. And this point, what is it? This one is recharging aquifers. Yeah.
Reduce
Urban flooding means we can avoid flooding of unnecessary water in the urban areas by using these kind of techniques. Recharge local aquifers. Aquifers. Okay. Final point. Here, water cases we are doing this kind of spring water ground to enhance spring water ground. So these are some of the important basic rainwater harvesting, saving the rainwater from the ancient Chola king time itself. Okay. Water availability in water scarce zones is very important. Okay, you can discuss about some of the rainwater techniques here. This some of the points. And
to avoid water crisis.
to increase
The hydrostatic pressure to avoid a land subsidence.
subsidence. Okay. Here water cases. Here what is this point?
To minimize that the groundwater
minimize the
minimize the groundwater
contamination
for salt water.
from salt water. It means you can avoid the pollution in the groundwater for that reason also we need to save the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting so that to minimize the groundwater contamination from salt water. It means salt water you know very well. In order to avoid from the presence of salt water. Okay, these are some of the techniques they are using, and this is some of the picture in day-to-day life. We see the rainwater harvesting from the government and what the government insisted to do that. So one from this the picture of that zone, water saving zone, eco-friendly and sustainable method of collecting and storing the rainwater water for future using. Yeah, some of the techniques, and also it is very important to know that day zero. Day zero means not even a single water presence in the town. That is called day zero. Cape Town, South Africa attained that big problem in 2018. It's very important. April 2018 is very important. That's why South Africa, one of the former capital, Cape Town city. Day zero refers to the critical moment when a city's water supply reaches such low levels. Okay, like that. So it is very important to save the rainwater harvesting. Okay, thank you so much for your team.
Thank you.
So that